130-degree, you need hamstring muscle length. But the length is not there because we have prolonged sitting, and I'm sure a lot of people are not able to manage time for the exercises. Maybe they are not health conscious. So when the muscle is tight, why to take rest? So person should not bend directly. For yoga also, Surya Namaskar posture, when you have to touch the toes, is not a good posture because that comes under repetitive stress injury. Every time you are just flexing your body, already muscles are tight, the body is in flexion posture. You are doing a lot of flexion. Because of the flexion, the spine moves like this, so there is a tendency of slip disc, which will not happen that time. After that, for example, if you would just lift a heavy weight, or you're just traveling, you would just lift your bag, then slip disc can happen. The cause is somewhere else. The people who have prolonged sitting posture should do a lot of extension exercises, and whenever you go to gym or whatever exercise regime you are following or yoga, the last exercise should be the extension, spine extension, not the flexion. Here we are using this step for weight shifting. For kitchen, the woman or anyone can use the same step for weight shifting. Or you can just increase the base of support if you have to stand. This is wrong. Next. Is it over? Yeah, back and both. So there is a flat foot. How would you come to know whether you have a flat foot or not? I hope everyone knows the arch. No? You can just put your foot in the water and then on ground floor, the floor, wherever it is dry, or you can just put some powder and you would see if there is a arch, you would come to know that your foot is normal. If it is flat, that means it is flat foot. And if it is flat foot, please take the precautions. You should wear the thick cushioned sole. The thickness of the sole should be 1.5 inch or 2 inches. The sole should be flexible enough. You have to touch the top and bottom. If it is flexible or that sole has the cuts, or Hashpati shoe have those furrows at the bottom, and we also has those furrows. So whichever shoe brand you are going to wear, please make sure that they have a specialized sole for the flat foot, and you can buy that. Knee pain, I would just take 1 minute for knee pain. Knee pain is initially very simple, but if you don't treat it and you don't understand that we should not suppress the pain, we should treat it from the root. So later on you would realize the gap has reduced and it becomes the osteoarthritis once we cross that 40 age. The main cause is quadriceps muscle, not the knee joint. When we don't do the strengthening of this muscle, if we don't have muscle power of 5 or 4, the body load goes to the knees and there is a meniscus, there is a cushion in between and there is a gap. So what happens? It tries to reduce. When it gets reduced, the meniscus gets damaged and automatically that turns into the osteoarthritis.